In this video, I want to show you how to hide recently used files in Windows. For security or personal reason, you might want to hide your recently used files in Windows. And to do that is quite simple. So let's get started. To do that, come to Start, right click it, and click on Settings. When it opens, click on Personalization. Come to this section called Start. Click on it. And here, come and turn this off, which says Show recently opened items in Job List on Start or the taskbar and in File Explorer Quick Access. So turn it off. Then after that, open your File Explorer. When you open your File Explorer, come to View. Then come to Options and click on Change Folder and Search option. Then here you can see Privacy. Show recently used file in quick access. If it is on, uncheck it. Then here, show frequently used folder in quick access. Uncheck it. Then click Apply and click on OK. And that is it. Let's know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.